Hello everyone, welcome to our video today. Today we're going to make a snowman with marshmallows. So first we're going to need marshmallows, chocolate, pretzel sticks, and toothpicks, and airheads. But they're like string airheads. And then we're going to need
Chewy fruity candy.
chewy fruity candy.
We already washed our hands, so don't forget to wash our hands.
First you're going to need marshmallows. 3 marshmallows. And then after, you're going to need some toothpicks. Two toothpicks. 1 and 2. And then put it in your marshmallow. Then I have to put another marshmallow on top. Another toothpick. Another marshmallow on top.
And lay it down because you don't want when it
It
stands
to
to
fall
fall.
like this.
Yeah, and the stuff is going to stick, but when you stand it up, it's going to fall down.
The second thing we're gonna need is some chocolate chips. We're gonna need 2. 3. And then we use it and put it for the snowman spots. Buttons. We're gonna put icing for the chocolate chips to stick. And we're gonna need some of the airheads. And then we need one out empty, and then take one. Put it for the scarf. Under.
Grab 2 sticks of pretzels for it can be gone. One and 2. Oh, come on.
Do the eyes and the mouth with the frosting.
We need
Next.
chewy candy for the nose. I'm gonna use some of these to stick.
We're looking good.
Stick.
And there you have it. That is all. Now it's time to eat it, but do not eat it all.
Get brush your teeth. for watching, and yes, save it for later.
Or tomorrow. Thanks, subscribe.
And
The thumbs up.
notification.
Bye. Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today we're gonna make marshmallows with snowman. No.